Hello everyone, I am Andre J.P. Lasala, BSCA 1 Alpha, and I have a question for all of you. Why do we wake up early? Why do we wake up early in the morning and go to school? Is it for an allowance? Maybe for some others, but for me, is to gain knowledge to support my future. And as a CA, I will talk about the important things or the important skills to have when you are a CA. First in the list, communication. It is the process of exchanging information between people or group. The conversation can vary from a talk-related business from a simple chat with friends. The second on our list, problem solving. Every human has this function. Without it, we cannot simply live comfortably, or it is difficult to live in this world. It is the process of using knowledge to identify and solve problems. In our daily lives, we use knowledge or existing knowledge to identify a thing or solve problems. And since we are running out of time, the last part is perfect for this: time management. It is the practice of planning and controlling how you spend time to be more efficient and productive in your life. Like for example, setting a time between playtime and work time. And thank you for listening, and that is all. I hope this presentation show a little bit of having proper skills can finish a job 100 times better than a novice. And that is all. Thank you for listening and have a good day.